Okay everyone, I am going to show you a much easier, simpler way of doing classwork at home. I know the first week was very confusing getting into Google Classroom. I had a ton of things on here, but it was our first week and we were learning, and I think we've come up with a much better way. If you've had this on your Chromebook all weekend, you may need to refresh your page to show the new changes. But once you're on here, right on the stream, you're going to see upcoming work. Okay, and the due date is Tuesday, 11:59 p.m. Hopefully you're not up that late, but if you are, that's the last bit of time that you can turn in this assignment. So let's click that assignment. Let's see if I can see it through here, I think. Okay, so it says Tuesday, March 24, Armstrong. So we're going to be turning or giving you an assignment each day rather than doing it for the whole week. And let's see if I can zoom in here. Okay, I use zoom in, the little magnifying glass. Okay, so your subjects are above and below the line. How are you feeling today? So I'm going to click that. And if I go to here, slide 2, brings me right down. Are you feeling above or below the line? And remember, complete sentences. I am feeling above the line because I think this assignment will be easier for kids and parents/guardians. I am very happy with how everyone signed on and tried their best the first week. I also got to hang out with my family and do fun activities. Okay, something like that, where you have complete sentences with punctuation, and maybe I want to be really excited, so I do exclamation point. Okay, so fill out that. And let's go back to this slide. ELA is Think Central. Okay, so I'm going to click that link and go to Think Central. It'll open up a new tab. You're going to fill out your information and do exactly what you did last week. Math, let's go to slide 3. Okay, I made a cool video I think you'll like. I think if you, just single click. And I can turn this up a little bit. It's going to play this video for you. Hopefully. Let's open it up, see if why it's not playing. Oh, it's because I was learning how to stream, so I got my lighting set up a little better now. So hopefully it's better.
For Monday. So on Monday, if you go to your math, this is your math page on slide 4. It says drag the words odd or even to match the picture.
Okay, so watch this video before you do your math. Some of you already did it. I don't know if it was on the slide, but here it is. And I'm going to zoom out because I think it's... There we go. Here are your words, odd or even. You're going to drag these next to the picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pair them up like I said in the video and put whatever one it is, odd or even. Let's go back to the beginning. Math is at lunch, go noodle, go outside, do whatever you have to do to burn some energy, because we can't be on these Chromebooks all day. I can't be on them all day. I have to do something to get my eyes off this screen. Writer's response, slide 5. You can click that and it'll bring you to slide 5, or you can just go down here. After reading the story Gloria, Who Might Be My Best Friend on Think Central, Things to Do, my library, page 224, then answer this question on the journal, response journal. Do you think boys and girls can be best friends? Why or why not? Remember full sentences, capitals, periods. Reread your writing when you're finished and make corrections. Do your best. Have your parent/guardian look at it as well. Let's go back up. And the last, Raz Kids for Win time. Remember, read books at your level. Try and push yourself. I might pop in on a Google Meet to ask how that's going. Foundations is at the bottom. You can watch this quick video explaining the syllables. We're not asking you to mark it up, but I made some voice little speaker bubbles here that if you click, it'll say the word.
Relax.
All right, so listen to that a couple times and do your best to type it into this square or rectangle. When you're done all 5, you can move this box and see if you spelled them correctly. Now, a lot of people are confused on, did they complete the assignments? Are you completely done? Well, once you've done all of these slides, you're going to go up to this tab, okay? Once you click this tab, there will be a little thing that says turn in. Okay, so let me do a little test here. I'm going to make this one smaller. And I'm going to log into my Google account. Okay, so I'm logging in here. I'm going to sign in with my personal one. Okay, next. Password's filled in. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google Classroom, and this should be the view you guys get when you're in your assignment. Okay, so now I see it from the student's view. So say I'm in here, I go, oh, I've got work to do. It's right here. I'm going to click that. Okay, now I'm the student. Okay, this is what I have to do today. Hey man, that seems like a lot of work. I guess I'll be okay. Alright man, how's my day? Below the line, man. Because my doggy got outside the fence and I had to go get it. That's my kid voice. Or it's a server voice I use sometimes when we're doing math. So let's say I fill this in and I think I did a good job on all my slides. This is what I mean. I've done them all. I've done all my slides. Go up to this tab again. And here's your button. Turn in. One attachment. Turn it in. Okay, so that's what I'm going to see as a teacher. I don't want this tab anymore. Okay, so I'm going to check to see. Maybe I need to refresh this page. Okay, 1 turned in. That's how I know as a teacher you turned it in. So I can click it. I can click here. I can click here. And I can look at all the slides and see how well you did, what you might need to fix. I might return it back to you if you need to fix anything. All right, I hope that clears up everything. If you have any questions, contact me on my Remind and I'll be quick to get an answer back. Bye.